Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the best method to connect Shopify to Lendio. The best method to do this is to integrate your store so that all sales, fees, and refunds will automatically synchronize into your financial dashboard. This connection is going to eliminate manual tracking and ensure that your e-commerce data stays accurate and up to date. Once Shopify is linked, you can clearly see daily revenue, you can monitor net income after fees, and of course identify sales trends over time. This insight helps with pricing decisions, with inventory planning, and of course with cash flow management. It also simplifies reporting by keeping all e-commerce activities aligned with your broader financial data. By connecting Shopify to Lendio, businesses gain a complete and reliable picture of their online performance. This clarity supports better planning, smarter spending, and more confident growth decisions. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.